Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 19, Setting and Measuring Goals. In this lesson, we will discuss the importance of setting goals for your pay-per-click (PPC) advertising campaigns and how to measure the success of your campaigns against those goals. 1. Why set goals? Define success. Goals help you define what success looks like for your PPC campaigns, whether it's increasing website traffic, generating leads, or driving sales. Measure performance. Goals provide a benchmark for measuring the performance of your campaigns and determining their effectiveness. Guide strategy. Goals help guide your PPC strategy by focusing your efforts on achieving specific outcomes that align with your overall business objectives. 2. Types of goals. Traffic goals increase website traffic and attract more visitors to your site. Conversion goals increase the number of conversions on your website, such as form submissions, signups, or purchases. Revenue goals increase revenue generated from your website or online store. Brand awareness goals increase brand visibility and awareness among your target audience. 3. How to set goals. Specific. Clearly define your goals in specific terms, such as increase website traffic by 20% or generate 100 new leads per month. Measurable. Ensure your goals are measurable so you can track your progress and determine if you have achieved them. Achievable. Set goals that are realistic and achievable based on your current resources and capabilities. Relevant. Align your goals with your overall business objectives and ensure they are relevant to your PPC campaigns. Time-bound. Set a deadline or timeframe for achieving your goals to create a sense of urgency and focus. 4. How to measure goals. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Identify KPIs that align with your goals, such as click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, or return on ad spend, ROAS. Tracking tools. Use tracking tools like Google Analytics or conversion tracking in Google Ads to monitor your KPIs and measure your progress towards your goals. 4. How to measure goals. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Identify KPIs that align with your goals, such as click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, or return on ad spend, ROAS. Tracking tools. Use tracking tools like Google Analytics or conversion tracking in Google Ads to monitor your KPIs and measure your progress towards your goals. 5. Adjusting your strategy. Based on your performance against your goals, adjust your PPC strategy as needed to optimize for better results. Experiment with different tactics, targeting options, and add creatives to see what works best for achieving your goals. By setting clear, measurable goals for your PPC campaigns and regularly monitoring your performance against those goals, you can ensure that your campaigns are effective in achieving your desired outcomes and driving results for your business.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.